When we speak about legal tech applications, I think we all agree that this hype on legal tech applications started 7 to 8 years ago. When people ask me, I always refer to these two books. I think Richard Susskind really set a stage when he sketched really a fancy future for lawyers and a bright future for technology. He picked up many questions and he summarized them nicely in a book which is called The End of Lawyers, ? Rethinking the Nature of Legal Services. Is it really about replacing lawyers by technology? Is it really about replacing in-house legal consultancy work by technology? I don't know. Based on what we see currently, I think we can all say we do not see this happening as of now. But what we do see is that there is a large spectrum of applications which are from year to year summarized in so-called legal AI landscapes. They show all the different technology areas in which methods from computational technology, algorithmic data structures, data analytics, text analytics can really support lawyers, either in-house or in law firms. These methods reach from e-billing systems to contract drafting, e-discovery, contract review, contract due diligence, legal research, contract management. We briefly heard about speaking Eva briefly on that, and they also reach to expertise automation. So this is really a large spectrum, but the question is, and this is what we would try to answer with the panelists today, what can we expect from the near future and what do we need also in terms of preparation and in terms of reference, for example, data, such that those AI landscapes become true if we want them to become true. And also not only looking at technology, but also asking ourselves what methods, what kind of working models of collaboration practice, for example, do we need for those tools to be successful. We at the Liquid Legal Institute, and a couple of the panelists are already a member of the Liquid Legal Institute, we are pursuing this question together with our members. And in order to do that, we identified that technology or the usage of technology is not only about buying a software or hiring a couple of software engineers that do some tooling, that do some implementation stuff, and then every problem that can be solved with technology is solved. But it's more a full transformation. It's the so-called digital transformation that requires much more than just tooling, but also a change in mindset, adaptation to new collaboration models, but also customer experience, end user perspectives, and all these, I would call them now buzzwords that you have heard on some other occasions, maybe.